Okay, so from here I want to show you exactly what happens when you use a small device here. So this is just a SIM card tool, or you could use a small pen, needle, that type of thing. You put it into the teeny tiny vent hole in the back, and you just press the button to hear an audible click. Press and release. And as soon as you press and release that button, oh, by the way, you need the computer to be off for this to happen. As soon as you do that, the computer turns on. Okay, so I'm going to show a full system recovery. And I'm going to hit the timer here in a minute and just see how long it takes. System recovery. Yeah, I'm going to put the timer on. And we'll just see the total time to reset this computer all the way back to its factory settings. Okay, so continue, use the device, troubleshoot, turn off. We're going to go to troubleshoot, reset this PC. I'm going to remove everything and get it all the way back to the factory settings. Okay. I have to put in the recovery key, so I'm going to pause right here and then we'll continue. Pause here. What I want to check is updates. Check for updates. Double check, it looks like we're clear though. But I'm calling the ball right there. We're at 40 minutes. Shut it down.